Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Goel and in this video we are going to solve when x power 5 is equals to 100 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 100 we can write it as 10 square. Now we have a rule of exponent, that is a power b times c. We can write it as a power b power c or a power c power b. So we can write this as x power 5. First I'll take power 5 to both sides. Now I'm going to apply this rule. So I can write x power 5 whole power x power 5 is equals to 10 power 2 times 5, that is 10 power 10. So it will look like x power 5 power x power 5 is equals to 10 power 10. So if we compare both sides, so what we can see that x power 5 is equals to 10. Now if I'll divide both power by 5, so the value of x is 10 power 1 by 5, or we can write it as x is equals to 5th root of 10. So the value of x is root of 10. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.